I'm literally just beating the piss out of this to get it straight again. I had to take it off the guitar to do it. It's kind of a pain in the ass, but it's getting better. It's also looking very rough because the hammer is marring the paint very badly. I really should have just replaced the tuner, but here we are. I think that's about as straight as it's gonna get. It's going back in. I'm not entirely confident this screw is gonna go in now that that piece of metal is all jacked up, which is we're gonna just send it in hard. It doesn't want to go. It's just spinning. Oh, I just loosened it. It won't go in flush anymore. Can I still get a tool around it? I still get this tool around it. I guess that's good enough. It's never going to be as stale as these other ones. See, it likes to wobble if it's even a little bit less than perfect, so that was actually fine. I'm gonna call that fixed. We did do a literal bang up job. It's marred and scratched to hell, but yeah. All these little chips in the finish, and to be fair, that one's a big chip, where the bare wood was exposed. All I care about is sealing it to the elements so the humidity and shit doesn't ruin the guitar. So I just quickly filled it in with some blue Sharpie, just for the lull factor, and then went over, glorped on some clear coat with a spray can, not even trying to make it good. And it's all running and shit, and it's gonna be awful, and that's kind of the idea. The dodgy repair.